So in today's class, we are going to learn about how to make birds from super clay. Are you ready? Let's go. Working with super clay is really satisfying, especially this kneading. And this step is actually crucial to make it lumps free. Today I am going to make a penguin. To make this, we have to give our clay a round shape. And it is pretty easy to make this round shape. But as we know, penguin body is not completely round, right? So here I will put little pressure over the neck area to give that penguin body structure shape. Do exactly how I am doing in the video. Just practice once or twice and I am sure that you are going to make it. See, this is how it should look. Now we all know that penguin is not all black. It also has some white on its front. So to make that white area, you have to take white clay and split it into two parts. Here remember, it should be not equal. One should be more and other should be less. And give it the exact shape how I am giving in the video. Now attach the both parts and take any kind of lid. You can take any kind of thing which you can use for pressing. Here I am using a jewelry box lid. You can use any box lids. Now take that white part and cut in this way. Make sure while you are cutting the smaller part because that is going to be our penguin's eye area. Now paste that white part to our penguin's body. Again take clay for making the eyes and paste it to the eye area. And please make sure that your two eyes are in equal size. For making beak or mouth, you just need a small ball of clay and paste it to the mouth area. Take this kind of tool and give this kind of shape. And yes, mostly this kind of tool you will get with the clay itself. But still, if you didn't get, don't worry. Use any kind of pen, pencil or this kind of shape things and use it. See, normally penguin doesn't have any kind of ears, but here we are going to make a smaller and cuter version of it, right? To give that cartoonish cute look, I will add rabbit ears to it, which is going to make it look super spooky. Now I will apply glue and add those little ears to it. And yes, while adding those little ears, please be patient. Now it's time to add hands to our penguin. Roll exactly the way I am rolling and stick it to the body. While sticking, please give this wing-like structure to the hand. See, it's already looking so cute. To make it more cute, I am going to add blush to it. If you don't have blush or eyeshadow, no problem. You can use pink paint. Now see, this is super cute, right? And the best part is it can even stand by its own. For the next bird, I am using pink clay because anything in pink can make things more cuter. Yes, I know I am using cute word a lot in this video, but what can I do? See, these are so cute. So for the bird body part, we are going to give a oval shape to it. But the difference between penguin and this bird will be their eyes. During penguin, I just added one black dot, right? But here I am going to add layers of different color to make it that realistic look. First, I am going to take the pink ball and stick it to the body. Make sure while pasting different color layers, we have to press it, or else eyes will look like it is popping up. For mouth, take a small amount of clay and give a triangle shape and cut the middle part with a scissor. And please remember, if you are under 10, please ask your parents or elders to guide you. Cause while using sharp objects like scissors might hurt you. Here I am making crest for my bird. You know, working with clay is really satisfying. If you do it, you will never leave it. And lot of preschool added this clay activity into their curriculum because it develops spatial awareness and motor skills in children. Not only children, it can also act as relaxing therapy to adults. And after adding legs, this is our cute little birds. So that is it for today. Let's learn something new in the next class. Thank you so much and bye.